Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Kirk again. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why I would never join Economy. Economy is a network marketing business that specializes in artificial intelligence software that's going to make your Forex trading easier. It's going to make it a better experience for you, right? So I would never join Economy for that reason. They're making it easier. Listen, y'all, I've actually talked to some of their independent business owners, right? They've telling me how they hook up their software to a trading account, and at the push of a button, y'all, it's actually enhancing their forex trading. See, I was under the impression you had to sit and learn the charts forever and a day through academies and videos and everything to learn how to trade. But apparently, there are other people out here that are making a living with artificial intelligence software in the forex markets, y'all. Now, I'm not sure I would ever do something like that because it just sounds too easy, doesn't it? So I would never join it because it's just too easy. And as I talked to some of the independent business owners, they were telling me they were kind of comparing it, to putting money in a savings account at a bank. Now I know banks only give you 1% or less in a return, right? Every month. We can verify that just by looking at your account, right? So I'm thinking to myself, why would I not join economy? Why would I join economy? If the banks are giving me a percent or less, and economy, the independent business owners are telling me that economy is making them a living, by using artificial intelligence software and making the trading experience easier for them every day, every month. I have to think about that for a minute. I started this video out to say why I would not join economy, but I might need to do some research and think about it. Click the link below and let's talk about it.